Namaste everyone. Today we are making healthier version of tandoori chicken in the oven by using only 1 tablespoon of oil. Here is the recipe. To prepare the marinade, take a large bowl, add 4 teaspoon of chilli powder. I have used Kashmiri chilli powder. You can use more spicier one if you prefer. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon Kasuri methi crushed into fine powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add more if you prefer. Add 2 tablespoon thick curd. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Mix all these ingredients and check the spice. If you want to add more salt or chili powder, you can add at this stage. Add 1 tablespoon chickpea flour or besan. This will help absorb the excess moisture from the chicken. Also, this will ensure that the marinade is coated well on the chicken. We use chicken drumsticks for this recipe. Make few deep slits on the chicken pieces to allow the marinade to penetrate. Make sure the cuts are around the thicker edges of the drumstick. This will ensure the chicken cooks evenly. Apply the marinade to the chicken, making sure each piece is well coated. Gently rub into the deep gashes as well. To this, add 1 tablespoon of oil. This is very important because this will keep chicken from drying out and it will retain the moisture. Marinate this chicken for at least 30 minutes or overnight for best results. Now to bake the chicken, I have a baking tray lined with aluminium foil and placed a grill rack. Now place the chicken pieces one by one. Make sure there is enough space between the chicken pieces. I had preheated the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now grill this chicken for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius on one side. Once we are done, remove it, flip the chicken over and apply the marinade on both sides of the chicken. This step will ensure the chicken will stay moist. Now grill this for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Towards the end, when 5 minutes is remaining, you can increase the heat up to 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes to get that nice charred look. So there you go, your tandoori chicken is done and ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.